Okay. Hey guys, this is Dev Diary number 2. It's a little bit longer than I would have liked to make the next one, but I realized with how I was doing things in the last one while they were functioning, it probably wasn't the best for overall game design and um, flexibility. Well, I think is the word I'm going for. I don't know if that's the right word I want, but so essentially, I'm trying to create a more variable solutions to some of the issues. Obviously, I didn't throw everything that I accomplished out. I transferred them to a different situation. So essentially, what I'm trying to do now is making things off of bases and then making children from those bases to create more specific solutions for things that we might want to do down the line, including with like the battle blueprints, having the battle manager, the battle controller. We have stuff for the spawns here. Here's the folder with all the transition stuff, all that jazz. To make it more variable, meaning having a better structure to allow for more flexible level design, more flexible tweaking for combat and specific combat encounters, whether that be how random things certain enemies get to be, what level of enemy you're going to get in a certain area. Like, say, if for some reason this is our playground, but if this is like level 1 and in the first dungeon we want to have a secret super boss off in the right, we can have that have its own unique battle area with its own unique level cap and all that jazz, things like that. And that's kind of some of the things. I also have like the custom controller for the JRPG style that we're going for. I started building up a macro library. I have a blueprint for a JRPG game mode. I need to add to it. A lot of these are very empty at the moment, but I do have some structures, including spawn data, spawn list, and player unit data. We're working on. I started a player base. I started some like the battle controller and the battle manager. So this one, the battle manager, kind of focuses on like the full scope of the battle, while the battle controller helps control the battle when it starts. So it'll be like the battle controller will be like how you use skills, while the battle manager is helping set the spawns and location and like moving people around. If that makes sense, it's still not. I still haven't been able to articulate it best with words, but yeah, visually speaking, like in Engine, there's not a whole lot to actually show you. I do have like a character base as well. That's what all of the other characters are going to be based off of, so that we'll have more flexibility with how things are structured. And how do I want to word it? Make it cleaner. That if we have the base, then we know like, okay, all characters need these functions in order to run. Let's make a different unique enemy off of this, or a unique character off of this base. Well, now we don't have to restructure or recreate everything from scratch. We just make it a child, and then with any unique functions that we want that character to have, we'll be able to add or overwrite things that are in this one. So going forward, my goal is to make this actually show stuff. Show stuff to more of what we're working on again. Tweak the battle transition. Like, this is our base transition. I put it in a different folder, and I'm gonna have to rename the folder, but tweak this in order to function properly with our new setup, and actually get some meshes in here to actually demonstrate what I mean by when I say like making things more variable and actually getting from the concept to showing the practical usage of it. But yeah, that's pretty much all for Dev Diary number 2. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.